Hello, I'm Dave Blundin, co-founder of Exponential Ventures alongside Peter Diamandis. We're diving deep into the world of AI to tackle grand challenges and create meaningful impact. I've always believed in the power of collaboration and conversation. So whether you're curious about our mission, have insights to share, or just want to chat about the future of tech, I'm here to listen and discuss. Let's chat.
Okay, so hey, Dave, how are you doing today? Tell me what you think of John Werner.
Hey there. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. John Werner is a fascinating figure, particularly in the realm of venture capitalism and philanthropy. His extensive experience and dedication to fostering innovation and supporting startups are truly commendable. His ability to identify potential in early ventures and guide them to success is something I greatly respect. It's always exciting to see leaders like him making significant impacts in the tech and investment communities.
Yeah. All right, Dave, I want you to write some code. Make me a prime number generator that generates 5 random prime numbers and expose them when a button is hit and make it in a big font so everybody in the room can see it.
I haven't had anything to eat today, so I'm going to be hungry.
Voila. All right, let's try something a little more challenging. Okay, this is actually fun. Using a big font, create me a guessing game where I have 3 hints to guess a certain food item, and if I guess correctly, give me a fun message. Don't accidentally tell me the answer.
That was me, by the way.
Wow, that's a lot of code. Yeah. Jesus. All right, let's play Guess the Food.
I don't get any hints.
Where's your hints? Wait, you didn't get any hints. Okay, let's try another one. All right, AI Dave, make me the game of life in a grid. Let the user start the simulation with a button push and play the animation slowly so the users can observe it. This is Conway's game of life that I want.
Turn your head left and right.
If you thought the last one was long, this one.
All right, well, that's generating code. So this is what it's going to look like next year. So we had an event actually out in LA 2 weeks ago where all the speakers were introduced by AI. And I mentioned earlier today, very often the AI does better introductions than you can think of on the fly or by researching on the internet. So that'll be, by this time next year, I think that'll be standard practice. But more importantly, the AI co-hosts and the AI participants will be able to do things that are functional. So right now, when we're going, hey, switch to the next slide, you'll just talk to the AI and say, pull up my content for me. And what it takes right now, when you talk to the AI, you ask it a difficult question or whatever, you usually get a couple seconds delay. We know that with the new LLM technologies coming out, and we'll be talking to Jan LeCun later today, with the new LLM technologies coming out, we'll get probably on the order of 100 responses in milliseconds that then you can post-process and choose the best response. So rather than it being a little bit clunky and a little bit mechanical, it's going to be actually a faster, snappier dialogue than you can even have with a person. So your ability to pull up content from all over the internet by voice, to have an idea on the fly and say, hey, and also it'll interject interesting commentary based on what's being said on stage. So by the time we get to this stage next year, I think that's what you'll see in the world. How'd the game of life go? I also think by this time next year, these code writing processes will be, they'll be instantaneous as well. And we can actually take a suggestion from somebody in the crowd and say, build me blank. And it can be working on building it while we're up here on stage. So that's what to expect next year.